Good morning, friends. We got a new knife here. I'm excited to open this up with you guys and take a look at what it is and give you an honest unboxing review and then a full review in a little while after I carry it for a while. So in order to open this up, I'm using my Vosteed Psyop with the green micarta with LMAX blade. Full review coming soon. Been using this for about a month. I cannot keep it out of my pocket. It is absolutely incredible and sharp. So here we go. This is my first knife from them. This is Miguron. This is the Miguron Moyarl in all titanium. Let's see if you can see it right there. Alright, you guys, let's get into this. I always have trouble with these. Here we go. Obviously, most knives come with these now. Here it is. We got some oil on it from the factory. Let's get that cleaned up. Really excited about this one, you guys. It's one of my first full titanium knives. I know I'm behind on the times. It's also my first crossbar lock. I have played around with crossbar locks, so my friends have some Benchmades and whatnot. Looking at it, feeling it's pretty good weight in the hand. Ooh, smooth action. Quite bigger than I expected, to be honest. D10 is pretty good, smooth. So getting into it, it's a 14C28N blade. That is 3.25 inches long. Overall length of 7.6 inches. We'll double check that in here in just a minute. Has a blade thickness of 0.126. Handle length of 4.35 inches. A little over half an inch thick here. It is the full titanium. It is PVD coated, a dark gray. So I'm measuring this. I'm using my Tech Accessories titanium. Yep, 7.5 inches overall. Blade itself is, right at 3.25 with, 3 7/8 inches of cutting edge. It's got great action, actually. Closes really well. Nice little snap. Oh, messed that one up. Let's see. Thumb flick. Nice and smooth. Reverse flick's really nice. One thing I like about this a little bit more than the Benchmades I've had in my hand is it doesn't feel as mushy. A lot of the Benchmades I've had have felt really, really mushy. Centering, spot on. Blade's fully covered. Really like it, you guys. It is $75.88 on their website, so it is in the budget territory. Certainly affordable. No jimping on the blade. Has a steel pocket clip, which let me see how it feels in the pocket. It's in and out really easy. Sorry for bumping the camera there. I'm wearing gym shorts and it went in really easy. Doesn't feel like it's going to be heavy enough to really pull down that. Nice. I like it. Let's see how sharp it is out of the box. Some paper. Fold this in half and give it a cut. Super sharp. Sorry for that interruption, guys. Back to cutting it in the paper. Super sharp. Let's see. I'm not the greatest at doing this, but I will be the first to admit. Still really sharp. So it is reversible pocket clip. Did see that, and you can, pop it out like a crossbar. Like, I'm not the greatest at that either. With practice, but like, subscribe if you like it. In a few weeks, I'll put a full review up after I keep it in my pocket for a bit. Oh, real quick, let's check the weight on this. See if it has some heft to it, obviously being a full titanium build. Does have some milling in there for weight reduction. You can see that in there with a half set or a half liner steel insert. All right, let's check it out. .6 ounces, not bad. So it's not going to be pulling your pants down, which is good. All right. Well, like I said, like and subscribe if you enjoyed it or you want to see anything further. Have a good one.